Welcome to Tamil Nadu, a land blessed with a rich network of rivers that sustain its people, agriculture, and ecosystems. From the Western Ghats to the Bay of Bengal, Tamil Nadu's rivers form a vital lifeline for the region. The rivers of Tamil Nadu can be broadly classified into two types. 1. East-flowing rivers that drain into the Bay of Bengal. 2. West-flowing rivers that drain into the Arabian Sea. Let's begin with the Kaveri River, often called the Ganga of the South. It originates from Talakaveri in Karnataka and flows for 805 kilometers through Tamil Nadu. Its major tributaries include Bhavani, Noyal, Amravati, and Kalidam. The Kaveri is the backbone of Tamil Nadu's irrigation and water supply. Next is the Vagai River, originating from the Varusanadu hills of the Western Ghats. It flows for 258 kilometers through Madurai before reaching the Palk Strait. The Vagai River plays a key role in supporting agriculture and drinking water needs. The Thamarabrani River is one of Tamil Nadu's perennial rivers, originating in the Pothigai Hills. It flows for 128 kilometers through Tirunelveli and Tuticorin. This river is essential for agriculture, hydroelectric power, and drinking water in southern Tamil Nadu. Other important rivers include Pala River, flowing through Vellore and Kanchipuram; Penaya River, covering Dharmapuri and Kadalur; Bhavani River, a tributary of the Kaveri; Noyal River, nourishing the Coimbatore region; Amravati River, which also joins the Kaveri. Each of these rivers contributes to Tamil Nadu's water resources. While most rivers flow eastward, Tamil Nadu also has a few west-flowing rivers like the Periyar River and parts of the Bhartapura River, which drain into the Arabian Sea. The rivers of Tamil Nadu are vital for agriculture, providing irrigation for crops, drinking water for millions of people, hydroelectric power generation through major dams like the Mettur Dam on the Kaveri, the Vagai Dam, and the Bhavani Sagar Dam. The river system of Tamil Nadu is a testament to nature's bounty and human ingenuity. Protecting and conserving these waterways ensures they will continue to sustain generations to come.